Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can scrap emails from LinkedIn by Google. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. First of all, I'm using Google Chrome browser for the sake of this tutorial, and now let's search for Recruiting, and now let's choose the first result. In Recruiting, you can use it to navigate and scrap through emails on multiple platforms like LinkedIn, Dribble, GitHub, Twitter, and more. So for the sake of this tutorial, we will just scrap emails from LinkedIn. Here you can also add additional filtration criteria through which you want to base your filtration of your emails. So in case you want to search for people who are in the United States, you can select it from here. You can also select from all countries, it's up to you. You can also select the job title from here. So let's say I'm searching for senior engineers. So I will write senior engineer here. Here you can also add additional keywords or location. So suppose I'm looking for senior engineers in New York, I can add it here. You can also add keywords to exclude, add education, add current employer. However, I'm gonna leave these blank and I'm gonna search for people on LinkedIn. Here it gave you URL. So you can just copy this URL, and now let's open a new tab and search for word counter. Now choose the first result and delete this text. Now let's paste our text that we copied from Recruiting. Here we will just add some minor edits on it. Let's delete this text until IN, which is short for LinkedIn. Now let's search for the location, which is here, New York. Add space, open quotation mark, write gmail.com. Close quotation mark. Now let's copy this text and start a new tab and search for this text on Google. And here you can find multiple search results for senior engineers. For example, you have Michael Mayo, who is a senior engineer working in New York in the United States. So this is identical to what I filtered my searches on. So here you can find many results, and all these results are senior engineers. Here, senior engineer working in New York in the United States. So you can search for all these results. Let's just scroll down to access more results. Press on more results. More. And I think this is enough. So in order to extract these search results into emails, all what you need to do is to press on Control A to just select all, and then press on Control C to copy all. Now let's open a new tab and search for Email Extractor Lite 1.4. And let's choose this first result. Almost there, and here we are. So now let's just navigate downward here, and let's paste our text, then set the separator into new line. Press extract. Here you've got 24 email, simply in matter of minutes. So let's just copy this, and now let's search for an online notepad. You can do it in your PC notepad. However, I prefer online ones, so you can use this. You can open Notepad, you can open Word, Microsoft Word, and you can copy this text in it. However, I'm using for this tutorial online Notepad. Then I will save it to my PC. It's easier because it's easier for navigation between tabs. Now let's Control V, and here you've got your first 25 emails. So let's say you want more results. You need to just do a simple edit and you will get access to more results. This simple edit is by just deleting Gmail here, and for example, write another email provider like Outlook and search. Here you can see other results like Charles Cook, who is a senior engineer. So it's basically simple as it is. You can only just change the email provider and it will give you an access to other emails. So let's just access more emails from here. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and finally let's press on Control A to select all, Control C, then go to email extractor, press on reset, then paste, set separator into new line again, and extract. You have another 25 emails. Just copy them, go to your online notepad, and new line, paste. So you can do the same. You can actually change the email provider into Yahoo, and search, and you will find another emails. So basically the same steps, just scroll down to access or more results and select all, copy, go to email extractor, reset, okay, reset, paste, separator is new line, extract, and you've got 30 email count. You can copy them and you can go to your online notepad and paste. So this is basically how it is done. So in case you want to widen up your search results, so you just don't need only people from New York, you may also need people from California. So you can change now the location and press on enter. I'm not a robot, I promise. And here you've got other search results. So you can do the same steps. You can more results. Control A, Control C, reset, Control V, separator is new line, and extract. You have 19 results, copy them, add them to your list, and here we go. So basically you can set any combination of location with email providers. You will get thousands of results. So it's up to you. This filtration criteria is based on what you are looking for. So you can get unlimited amount of emails, and guess what? They are all for free. So basically this is how you can build your own free email list. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.